Hey, good evening everyone, it's Sue, and we are cooking popcorn today because I'm about to watch a movie. I have checked out for the night, so I am off business and I'm going to hang out with my husband for the night. So, microwave popcorn maker, Pampered Chef makes it so that you can cook a healthy snack, a zero-calorie snack if you don't want to add any butter to it, and it collapses, so all of your college friends, you want to actually mail this out to them because this is perfect. All you need to do is fill the cap here with Orville Redenbacher or Pop Smart popcorn. It will dump it right into the bottom. Put it in. The most important part is that you put it off to the edge of your microwave so it goes around in a circle like this and not just in the center turning. Otherwise it'll burn in the center. So you want it to like move around the outside. 2 minutes is what they say is the average time. Mine is 2 minutes and 40 seconds. So the first time that you use this, I really want you to listen to the popping, and when the popping gets slow, then you know it's time to stop. And then when you dump your popcorn out, hey guys, when you dump your popcorn out, if you have a lot of kernels that aren't popped, then add 10 seconds to it. And if you have a little bit of burnt popcorn, take 10 seconds off. So I make huge batches of this, which is kettle corn, which you're going to find kettle corn on my website. And I will post that below. But I make it in large batches, and then I just scoop it out a quarter a scoop at a time in these little snack baggies so that at night, if my husband wants to have some or if I want to have some, it's super easy to do. And it has coconut oil, salt, and sugar, and the portions are on the website. So I'm going to stick this in, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. We're going to have perfect white fluffy popcorn. And by the way, name brand popcorn does matter. Walmart brand did not pop as well. So says the consultants of Pampered Chef, right? If you need other good snack recipes, wait till you see what's coming out September 1st. If you have not, you need to jump over to my Facebook page. My husband's making faces in the background. Over to my Facebook page, my VIP Facebook page.
What's cooking?
And what's cooking? Your popcorn. And you want to see there because I'm going to do Facebook Live on all the new products. You've seen my quick cooker, but there's other fun stuff coming. So see you all soon. Have a great weekend.